Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on a Samsung Galaxy M23. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. And here you have to click on open, and now you have to click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions, then click on this application to allow this app to appear on top, and you have to click back and now click start. And here, as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.